Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best headphones available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Sony Headphones. It is built with comfort and performance in mind. There's no need to compromise. It is compact for portability yet affording listening flexibility. The swivel folding earpads let you enjoy music in many ways. The durable 1.2 meters wide type cable resists snags and tangles so you can get caught up in your music. The swiveling earcup design allows easy storage when you're not using them, and enhances portability when you're traveling. Also cushioned earpads for total comfort and enfolding closed-back design seals in sound. The wide frequency range spanning 12 Hz to 22 kHz delivers deep bass rich mid-range and soaring highs. At number 6 we have Beats Headphones. It features the Apple W1 chip and Class 1 wireless Bluetooth connectivity. It comes with up to 40 hours of battery life. Beats Solo3 Wireless is your perfect everyday headphone. It comes with fast fuel. 5 minutes of charging gives you 3 hours of playback when battery is low. This adjustable fit comes with comfort cushioned ear cups and made for everyday use. This Solo3 features onboard controls built into the left ear cup. You can use the B button to control playback. 1 press to play or pause, 2 presses to skip forward or 3 presses to skip backward. By using the volume rocker above and below the B button to adjust the volume up or down. This Solo3 can provide up to 40 hours of playback from a full charge. At number 5 we have Beats Solo3 Headphones. This Solo3 can provide up to 40 hours of playback from a full charge. This Solo3 features a built-in microphone for phone call and voice assistant use. This is a high-performance wireless Bluetooth headphones in black. This adjustable fit comes with comfort cushioned ear cups made for everyday use. Number 4 we have Sony Headphones. This speak-to-chat technology automatically reduces volume during conversations. This crystal-clear call-quality beamforming microphone and a bone conduction sensor that's provide clear voice detection even in noisy environments. This exceptional sound quality comes with new integrated processor V1 and supporting LDAC codec. It comes with 8 hours long battery with noise cancelling. At number 3 we have JBL Headphones. The twin wireless headphones feature renowned JBL pure bass sound, which can be found in the most famous venues all around the world. Key comes with wireless Bluetooth 5.0 streaming. You can stream wirelessly from your device and even switch between 2 devices, so that you don't miss a call. It is easily control your sound and manage your calls from your headphones with the convenient buttons on the ear cup. For long-lasting fun, listen wirelessly for up to 40 hours and recharge the battery in as little as 2 hours with the convenient Type-C USB cable. At number 2 we have Shure Headphones. This has engineered from decades of stage and studio experience. The Ionic 50 wireless noise-canceling headphones deliver premium listening with exceptional comfort and durability. You can immerse yourself in an uninterrupted world-class listening experience wherever you go. It is built to withstand the rigors of the road and folds flat for portability with protective carrying case. It includes 3.5mm analog audio input to stay connected to any device, also including airplane entertainment systems, or USB-C digital input for charging and high-resolution audio. At number 1 we have Bose Headphones. The tri-port acoustic architecture offers depth and fullness. It has volume-optimized active EQ, maintains balanced performance at any volume, so bass stays consistent when turned down and the music remains clear when turned up. These comfortable wireless headphones are suitable for all-day wear. It is crafted with plush synthetic leather and impact-resistant nylon, and designed with minimal clamping force. They're as luxurious as they are durable. You can enjoy 24 hours of battery life from a single charge. It has a quick 15-minute charge, offers 3 hours when you're on the go. Or plug in the included audio cable to listen for even longer in wired mode. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best headphones for your need.